What's up, everybody? Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? I don't even know. I do know. I got some vape mail in today, and I've been waiting for it, and I'm happy about it. It's it's a vape mat, basically. I've been looking forward to it because it was $10. Twisted Messes. Love that guy. Love his products. And basically, this is going to be the beginning of my building series. We are going to start off with building round wire, and then we're going to progress into Claptons, um, tools for Claptons if you can't make one, and tools for Claptons that will help you stop using the tool to make it on your own. Anywho, let's open it up. So, hey, I'm going to bring you down, and we'll take a look at it. I'm looking forward to this. Okay, here we go. This is it. The box that it came in. So he taped it and also secured the sticky tape bits on these priority boxes. Alright, packing slip. You're looking at that, you're like, here's what that is. Anywho, let's take a look at it, right? Oh yeah, I'm looking forward. Yeah, awesome. I'm excited. That's it right there, my friends. Here, let's bring up the camera so we can get a better look at it. Cool. I like it. Now, at one time, I did have the coil art one. It was gigantic, though, and hard to clean. And I like this because it's not as big. I can move it if I want. So, heck yeah, man. Yeah, I got a sticker, too. I actually do use stickers. I put them up on my medication box, basically. The medication. The box of the medication. Such an idiot, I swear. Anywho, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Yeah, man. Awesome. So that's that. Twisted Messes vape building mat, man. And like I said, I will be starting a series of building coils, and even rebuilding some sub-ohm tank coils, which isn't always easy. Actually, it's never easy. Oh, and we will be starting two series, actually. One will be building, and the other will be tasting DIY concentrates that I got from Vape Elf. So that should be exciting. With that, what I'll do is I'll start. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that one. I'll probably start with what a beginner needs, and you know what? That's not a bad idea. I could do 3 series, right? Tell me what you think down in the comments. What you think about that. One, we will do concentrates for already advanced DIYers that make their own liquid, and a beginner one where we start from the very beginning and move on through. And the beginners will also be able to look at the more advanced DIY to see what kind of flavors they might want to buy. Okay, well, hey, tell me what you think, everybody. All 5 of you. I'm not bitter. No, I'm not either. I'm talking to myself. I'm arguing with myself. Why am I doing that? I'm acting silly. Oh, okay. You see that? We're only at 5 minutes. Let's go a little. I'm just itching myself. Excuse me. So anyhow, you see that dot right there? This is funny. Okay. So a lot of times I fall asleep at the computer because I've got so much to do and I don't want to go to bed. And so I fell asleep one time like this. Basically, just like that. I don't know how long I slept like that, but I had a mark on my forehead, like a deep drip tip mark. That's back when they were when we always had those metal drip tips, right? It never went away. It's always, that little red dot's been there since then. Crazy, right? Anyway, this is Dan the Man, and we're going to sign out. Let's sign out on the EH Pro, whatever this thing, the 101, Mod 101 Pro, with the OBS Demo on top. The juice I'm vaping in here is, I think I'm calling it Toucan Sam. That's a Fruit Loop and milk. The very end of the bowl. What? Let me tell you, it tastes just like Fruit Loops. If you like cereal vapes, you will love this one. It's not exactly done yet, so I'm not going to be able to put the recipe in there. But when it is done, I'll let you guys know. Peace, my brothers and sisters. Vape on. Vape on with the vape on. Keep on vaping. But remember that keep on trucking? Now it's keep on vaping. Anywho, peace out, peace, peace.